Welcome to the tutorial video on using the Moodnotes app. To get started, head over to the App Store and search for Moodnotes. Then, download the app for free. Once downloaded, open the app on your device. You will first see a brief preview of what the app offers. After this, you may enable your notifications and turn on camera access. Once this is completed, you will be asked to select an avatar. The navigation panel on Moodnotes can be found at the bottom of your screen. It consists of 4 sections. The timeline provides an overview of all of your logged entries. It is a great way to track how your mood changes between entries. The stats page curates your data into different categories and charts. It provides personalized statistics to help you analyze and find patterns in your mood. Please note that this feature is part of the premium service. However, all users have the option to try it out for 1 week as part of the free trial. Your subscription can be canceled at any time. The Discover page contains a library of information and self-help articles written by mental health experts. It is a great resource for learning more about mental health and related experiences. In the Settings page, you have the opportunity to make changes to your avatar, set reminders and passwords, sync, and export data. This page also contains a section that expands upon the app as well as its application of cognitive behavioral techniques. To start logging your moods, visit the timeline page and select the plus sign. You may then slide up or down to indicate how you are feeling. Once you have selected a mood, you may add more details about your day using notes and icons. Then, you will be prompted to select from a list of positive and negative feelings to improve your log. Feel free to add more notes and details to these selections. Once you have completed your entry, press Save. Your log will then appear in the timeline. Alternatively, you can scan your mood using the camera on your device. This provides a quick and easy option to keep track of your moods. Once you have completed your entry, hit Save. Please note that all entries can be improved or adjusted at a later time. Moodnotes also allows you to self-assess your moods during each entry. You can do this by adjusting the intensity of your feelings and making note of factors that contribute towards them. It will also provide you with a list of thinking traps that are often applicable to users. Select the thinking traps that are relevant to your case and reflect upon how they can be avoided. You will then be given the opportunity to reassess your feelings. Once you have completed this activity, your entry will be saved and available on the timeline. As mentioned before, these entries may be adjusted at any time. Moodnotes is a great journaling app because it will allow you to control the level of detail in your entries. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using the Moodnotes app. For more information, please visit the resources below.